Was there any particular holidays that you treasure in memory, or that?
Well, particularly Passover. Pesach, we would have a Seder. There would be 30, 40 people at our Seders. It was my father's family and everyone. And then during the war, I remember during World War II, my aunt would invite soldiers who were stationed not too far away, like at Fort Dix. She'd invite them to the Seders. And that's how my cousin met her husband. He had come to a Seder, and the rest is history. So we had big Seders, and the kids were always at one end, and we just had such a good time. We would be half under the table, telling jokes, and then and then we all had to ask the 4 questions, the youngest from each family. So that could take half an hour or more by the time everyone, and we said it in Yiddish. Tate, ich will der Fregn de 4 Kashes. And we did the whole thing in Yiddish, not in Hebrew, not in English. And that's how we learned it.
Was the whole Seder in Yiddish?
No. The Seder was all in Hebrew, which nobody understood. So the men raced through it, and no one paid attention. That's why we were telling jokes and doing other kinds of mischief until we all loved to sing. So when it came to singing the songs, we all sang, and we all did all the things you do at the Seder. But as far as paying attention to what the davening was, no.